สวัสดีครับ You are watching Dr. Green Channel and now we are going to do the demonstration for the automatic voltage stabilizer for the air conditioners 1.5 tons or 18,000 BTU. Right? Before doing the demonstration, I would like to show you around for the stabilizer itself. So from the front, and it has also specific that this is the powder coated. So when you touch the surface of the stabilizer is look very rugged, and it of course it has very beautiful design. So you can install alongside with the air conditioners, right? In front here has the digital display, so it will show the input voltage and the output voltage and also the status. For example, if this one protect your air condition from the low voltage, it will show low. So this one has very multiple function to show on the display. And on the letter here is also written the digital voltage stabilizer with the high-low cutoff. So once again, this will help to protect your air conditioners. So if you have the problem or the issue with your air cons from the too high or the too low incoming voltage, so this of course can help to fix the problem, right? And also can help you to save money because you don't need to send the air conditioners to the service center or ask the technician to come and look over for your air conditioners. And this is the advanced microcontroller technology. So thanks to the advanced microcontroller technology, which made this stabilizer working very smart and working very quick to adjust the voltage and also manage the stabilizer very well. So it is using the natural cooling mechanism, so don't need any cooling fan inside. So this will help to save you the energy and also the save money. Right, on the side here has the air cooling, so it can go inside to do the cool down for this stabilizer, right? And on this one is written again that is the electronic voltage stabilizer. The input range start from 150 to 180. So that means it can adjust the voltage from 150 volt go up. All right. And if the incoming voltage is too high, it will help to decrease the voltage or adjust the voltage going down. And the capacity here is 4 kVA one phase. So this one is suitable for the 1.5 tons air conditioners. On the back side also has the you can see the hole on the back, so it is also using for the air circulate in and out. Okay, so this one, as I mentioned, it is using the natural cooling. So this is the normal things you will see on this stabilizer, but this will sit on the back, so no problem. On this side also having the point for the air to go in and out, right? Airflow. And on this side you will see if I move the stabilizer closely, so this is the output. So the output terminal here mention line, earth and neutral, so you have to install correctly for your air conditioners. So from this terminal it will go out to the air conditioners. So if you want to see the installation diagram, please go back to the first video that I show the installation diagram and the example of the practical installation in the slide deck. All right. And of course, the power cable here is very standard and very good quality. So the size is 2.5 square millimeters and 3 cores. So it already has the cable for the line, neutral, and earth. So here is the size mentioned on the Y, very clear, right? 2.5 square millimeters. And this is the power cable. So is very good quality. If you touch the copper here, it's very solid and very rugged. Okay, very standard. Right, I will connect to the varistor and then we'll see the voltage adjustment against the test report in a short while. Right, I now back to the stabilizer and already put the power. It will count down to check the incoming input voltage. All right. Okay, so now the incoming voltage is about 174 and the output is 200 volts. So okay, let me see on the test paper. All right, so if the incoming input voltage is about 174, the output will be 200 volts. So it's exactly the result show on the test paper. So this confirm again very good quality product and having the test cases. I think I can see about 21 test cases here. So they did very details and also showing the safety test very carefully for the high cutoff and the low cutoff. It will take about 3 seconds for the high cutoff and 5 second delay for the low cutoff. Once the microcontroller has been checked for the incoming input voltage, right? And the loss less than 2%, so very high efficiency, right? And the transformer base. So this one very rugged and can work very durable because inside here is made by the transformer. So it is using the transformer, right? And the cabinet is written as I show you earlier, is powder coated cabinets and insulation resistant test at 500 volt DC. So it's better than 5 mega ohms. So this one consider very safe. So especially you if your home located in the industrial park area or in somewhere nearby the factory. So this stabilizer can work great to secure your air conditions. So your aircon will be very healthy and can work very long time. So you can install this as I mentioned along with the air conditioners. So you don't need the very big size of the stabilizer to accommodate like 5 air conditions in your home. So you can just install this separately for your air conditioners. So for example, you have 5 air conditioners with the size of about 18,000 BTU. So you can install these 5 sets for your home. So it will working independently from the mainline stabilizer, for example, if you have in your home. So for example, if the big stabilizer is faulty, so it will cause the whole equipment in your home out of service, or you have to face the high voltage and the low voltage situation, and maybe if you are unlucky, it will cause the air conditioner faulty. Okay, but if you install this separately for the air conditioners or what we call is the distributed architecture for each air conditioners. It will help to take care your air conditioners independently. So you have 5 air conditioners in your home. You put 5 of this stabilizer. You put 5 of this box along with your air conditioners. It will help to take care of your air conditioners. The air conditioners will be very healthy, and of course, it will work very good with the proper output voltage from this stabilizer. So your aircon will be give you the very good efficiency. The time to cool down, your room temperature will be good, right? And you will get the fresh air outside. The wind speed will be very fresh. Okay, so both indoor unit and the outdoor unit of the aircon will work synchronize each other. So it will help to maximize the efficiency of your aircon. All right, thanks to the micro controller base and with the advanced technology as well. All right, so I hope this video will show you in the details and also understanding how the voltage is adjusted, and this one will help to adjust the voltage. So let's see the example, right? So if the incoming voltage is 216, it will help to adjust, increase up to very near to 220. Okay, and the input 227. Now the output is OP is output, represent output 229. So it helps to maintain the good output voltage range to your aircon. Okay, so the input now is input and the output is 205. So it helps to increase, adjust to increase up the voltage. So the input now is 190 volt. So the output is OP output is 219 volt. So these are the example for the voltage adjustment and automatically zero touch stabilizer. So it make your life easier. Take care of your aircon healthy, and no need to send to repair very often as it used to be if you live in the place where the electricity is not stable or the low voltage coming very often. Right, if you like this video, give us the thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel, invite your friends to the communities, and then we can share more cases. And stay tuned because we will keep release very exciting video. So thank you for watching and see you again in the next video. ขอบคุณครับ สวัสดีครับ